Hello guys, so let us simplify this. Let us find the solution of the question I asked on the previous video. Remember, the LCM here is nothing but 2 minus x bracket 4 minus x. That's our LCM. So we draw our division line here. Then we say bracket 2 minus x bracket again 4 minus x is our common denominator. So this expression into this expression we cancel it. So we remain with the 4 minus x. So it will be 2 bracket 4 minus x minus operator 4 minus x, 4 minus x, it will cancel. We have 4 bracket 2 minus x. So after expanding this, we'll have 8 minus 2x, okay, minus 2x here, minus 4 times this one, minus 8, and plus 4x, because a negative, on the negative, we get a positive value. So now, our common denominator will remain constant, is this 4 minus x here. Then if you are to collect like terms, minus 2x plus this number, we get a positive. But this and this, we get 0. So we find out our solution, we end up being 2x all over the bracket of 2 minus x and the bracket of 4 minus x. And now, let us take a look into today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we'll be focusing on expanding numbers. Let's just say simplifying values. We're focusing on simplifying values like with a fraction. For example, 1 over q bracket, let's say qz plus 4qz. When you're simplifying here, what you do, always BODMAS applies everywhere. You solve things first in the bracket. So here you get nothing but 5qz, because it's like 1 plus 4, 5qz. After getting 5qz, you simplify, you get 5qz all over a q. So this q and this q will be cancelled because it is similar as 5 times q times z all over q. So this q and this q we can cancel. Then we remain with nothing but 5z. So here we are saying we can cancel this and this. Okay, let us take a look into another question. Let us try to simplify 1 over 5 bracket 10x minus, let us put a different term, 5y here. So in this case, we just expand it. 1 over, it is like this, 1 over 5 times 10x minus 1 over 5 again times 15y. So this one, or you just say 10x minus 15y all over 5. It depends on how we want to represent it. So here you cancel this, you get 2. You cancel this, you get 3. So you get 2x minus 3y. Your term will end here. Or you can just come here and you cancel here, you get 2, here you get 3. So still you get 2x minus 3y. You do what you think is simple for you. But now, okay, I want you to simplify this. I want you to simplify. Okay, that's your work. I want you to solve this and show me your solution.